Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to follow his followers. Let's go to accounts and open an Instagram account. For example, this one. I already have the list. I just want to show you how to get the source, the URL source. I believe most of you will know that, but in case some users don't know how to get the source, let's just get a random user. For example, this one suggested for me. So we're going to follow his followers. He has 73 here. Okay, now let's close it. We go to campaign. Create a campaign for Instagram. Follow his followers. Let's check list accounts, maybe just two. And user source, you can import a list. I'm gonna show you. Import a list for Instagram URL like this, or you can just add a new one. Add list. So this one we searched for URL and task settings. How many number of followers to follow? It has 73. So let's do this, and we will save the follow records to a file named this. Okay, let's go. I hope my accounts are safe to do that. If you have brand new accounts, you'd better set the interval time for follow. So it opened the two browsers for the two accounts I selected. It goes to the profile. I like that. It goes to his funnel now. He has 74. So you just go follow. Scroll down and follow. This one, scroll down. Scroll down. You don't need to do that, but if you want to say the whole process, I mean, then I will just scroll down to see the process. It takes time to follow one by one, because this is real user emulation. It won't get you accounts banned if you don't do too much in a limit time. Scroll this one. Let's scroll down this one. Do you think I will get my account suspended by doing this much follow that fast? I don't think so. Let's see. Let's do play magic. Where is the button? Where are we? I think this is button. I cannot scroll down anymore. Great, we're safe. Great, we're safe. Yeah, we're in the button. Nice. Nice try. Let's demo. Good. Hope you like it. I'm gonna show you the records. Great, great. So it will close the browser automatically, and then I'm gonna show you the records. Let's wait a bit. Good. I got. So all the campaigns got success, but you don't know. You might wonder how many followers you just followed. That's why we need to check the task settings here. So we got two success. We open the file in Notepad. We scroll down. We followed how many? We followed 124, and this is all your users you followed. You can use it to DM them, like follow them, script their posts and like their posts, comment on their posts, etc. Good. Okay, thank you for watching. Hope you like it. Bye.